And also, sir, you've mentioned about the monthly amortization. Kasi I believe when it comes sa payment terms, we are very flexible. So that's the thing. What my clients is really, looking forward din, no. Very flexible and mahaba yung payment terms natin.
Yeah,
diba,
I'm excited to share you this kasi very recent lang yung promo na nilabas natin, no. Well, aside from the spot cash, meaning a total contract price within the day or within 30 days, we also have a spot down payment, which is maybe within the day or within 30 days from the reservation stage. Then, of course, the regular staggered. The regular staggered industry practice is around, for the lot only, it's around payable 20% down payment, payable in 6 months. That's the standard industry practice.
Yes.
But I'm excited to share you this. For our lot only, we are offering the phase 5 into 1090. 10% down payment, so medyo nahati sa dalawa.
Correct.
It is more affordable. And the length of payment is 24 months. So my God, you're just paying like 13,000 a month,
sir.
no? So samantalang yung mga kakilala ko na mahilig sa gimmick-gimmick, more than that, yung nauubos nila a month. Grabe. So 13,000 a month mo, nakakapag-invest ka na sa property na very close to the key progress ng Central Luzon, which is Mabalacat.
So very attainable and achievable yung mga kumbaga yung payment scheme.
Correct.
That we have, no, sir?
Oo. And then the 90% balance is on the bank. So sila din naman ang magbe-benefit nun if they would like to shorten the pay term or extend the pay term. Depende yun sa kanilang mapoproduce na documentation with the bank. Okay?